For this Halloween, I decided to create Sally's potions from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Come with me as I make these potion bottles just in time for spooky season. This first bottle I'm using is actually from the thrift store. I've never seen a bottle like this. I don't know what it originally is used for. Let me know in the comments if you know. One of the questions I get asked the most is what makes the potion swirl? And the answer is mica powder. The powder that I'm pouring in this is mica powder that when you swirl it with the colored water, gives it that magical effect. And since this is frog's breath, I knew I was going to make it green, but I chose to have the base yellow just so that the green would be highlighted more and it would shine through more. If I had done green as the base coat, you really wouldn't have seen the brightness of the greens that I ended up using. The way I'm wrapping this bottle is actually the way I wrap most of my bottles, but please do not ask me what this knot is called because I have no idea. When I first started potion making, I watched as many tutorials as I could find, and one of the best ones being Cooking and Craft Chick's tutorial on potion making. She showed the way she was able to add twine to bottles without using hot glue. And she showed this knot that you can use, which is what I'm doing now. However, again, I don't know what the knot is called. You should definitely check out her video because she explains it a lot more. When it came to making these potions, I wanted each one to look unique. So I'm using this square bottle that I got from Michael's to make the Worm's Wort potion. Now, I went back and forth with what color combination I wanted to use for this potion because in the scene where she pours out the bottle, the potion is actually like a clear color, and I wanted something that looked more vibrant but wasn't the same colors as the frog breath or the nightshade. So I ended up going with a brown base that when you shake it goes to a reddish green color. In all of these potions you see me using 2 mica colors, and you don't have to use 2 colors. I like to do it because it can give the potion depth. For example, with this potion, the water is brown, and the first mica powder that I used was Eye Candy Sushi Roll, which gives it this green iridescent color, but I wanted to make it a bit more red, so I added Mad Mica's Spicy Tomato, and so this potion actually ended up with a red swirl that had a greenish tint. Because this bottle has such a short neck, and because this is like a personal potion of mine, I decided to just wrap it with the twine as best I could. And so this is a way that you can kind of just do it without using hot glue. It doesn't look as pretty, but if you make sure that the knot is at the back of the bottle, then it won't get seen. This round potion bottle is from Hobby Lobby, which is where I get a lot of my potion bottles because they have such a big selection of them. I knew I wanted this round bottle for the Deadly Nightshade just because I think it looks the best with the sticker that I end up putting on it, and I like the way that it looks more like one of the bottles from the movie. I used blue as the base for this Deadly Nightshade potion because I wanted the purples that I end up using to shine through more. If I had made it purple, especially because I only have a darker purple, the color shift wouldn't have been as noticeable and the swirls wouldn't have been as vibrant. One of the things I found easier with potion making is going from a lighter base to a darker swirl, just because it makes the swirl pop more. I use Canva to create my potion labels, and I print them out using printable sticker paper. You don't have to use sticker paper, you can use regular printer paper and attach them to the bottles using Mod Podge, but I like using the sticker paper just because it makes things a little bit easier and it's one less step. Halfway through making these potions, I realized that some people consider The Nightmare Before Christmas a Halloween movie, while other people consider it a Christmas movie. So what do you consider it? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for joining me as I made these Nightmare Before Christmas potion bottles. If you enjoyed what you saw, like and subscribe for more.